you'll have noticed wherever you are it's fairly windy. In Scotland it is the most windy. And as the day dies and we get after dark, the gale force winds will become severe gale. And it's not just in Scotland where they might be noticeable. There's crosswinds in northeast England, for the M1 for example. They will easily gust to 50 miles an hour later on today, and again that'll increase for a while overnight tonight. But in the northeast of England it's accompanied by at least bright, if not occasionally sunny weather, and relatively mild weather as well, as though the trend is for things, of course, to cool down. For most of us it's dry, but there's rain, and there has been rain all morning on the Western Pennines, a good part of Lancashire, southern Cumbria, and in Snowdonia. And that's just going to keep going, and it's pretty typical of this cloudy regime over the middle of England and North Wales. There's some sunshine over Devon, other southern counties of England, but the main sunshine is going to have to be in the northeast of England. Now, temperatures today are surprisingly high, although the wind doesn't make it feel that good, even in southern England. But they're going to drop away to probably single figures before dusk in northern Scotland, and I think it'll feel colder as the day ends further south as well. But nowhere gets a frost tonight beyond Scotland. Strength of the wind helps that. That's one reason at least. But this 0 is a bit of a clue, and the fact the wind swings around to the northwest would suggest the first snow is likely to be in the northeast mainlands of Scotland and the Northern Isles. A few centimetres possible tonight, but nowhere south of that. Now it's likely to be cloudy, relatively mild, and probably wet, and that's how tomorrow starts. A grey start once again. Probably a worse day tomorrow morning for England and Wales and Northern Ireland, as the rain actually gets quite heavy for a time through Wales and then on its way across the Irish Sea to Cumbria. The air cold enough might allow some sleet or snow in the southern uplands, and there might be a little bit also in the North York Moors or the far northeast of England, but the main snow showers are still confined to northern Scotland. And until the wind turns round to the north, which it will do tomorrow afternoon, we don't get that cold. But as it swings down, tomorrow night looks nasty. In fact, even by day it'll feel colder and colder, particularly towards dusk, with temperatures dropping away fairly rapidly. And as the rain is chased south by that cold wind, that's the time when we might see a little bit of snow. Mostly it's going to be on the hills, that is of course south of Scotland. But you might wake up on Friday morning to something outside. It just won't last. But you may well wake up to some black ice on the roads. Having overcome that, Friday looks a beautiful day. Cold but sunny, with snow showers still in Scotland and one or two wintry showers down the eastern side of England. Anna.